Most of the times, the moment I used to shop something and within 15 or 20 days that item goes on sale, I used to regret that why I got it for a full price. So you should be knowing this. So the topic is all about, should you buy when it is a new arrival, or should you buy during a mid-season sale, or should you wait for the final sale whenever a product gets released from each and clothing brand. Hi guys, this is Ishan. Welcome back to my channel Find Your Style with me. Today video is going to be a little different. So I want you guys to make better judgments while doing the shopping, when to do and what to do. So this video is applicable for both men and women because all the factors which I'm going to discuss, all the tips are going to be the same, because it's going to be the same whatever you want to shop across the men and women outfit. So, and before going further into this video, I want to make sure that these shopping tips mainly apply for the shopping here in India, in the retail outlets as well as the online outlets. What time you have to buy specific clothes. So in this video, we are going to discuss about when you should buy it and what you should target during sales and what you should target during new arrivals, whether it is appropriate to buy during the mid-season sale or not. I'm not going to share you any apps or something like that. This is not an advertisement for any of the apps or something like that. I'm going to tell you my experience, whatever I have experienced, whatever I have learned from it. So coming to the first one, when you should buy and what you should buy. So for example, always if you are buying during the new arrivals, but if you guys are not aware, most of the brand they do release 2 to 3 times in an year. For example, if they release at the start, they are not going to give you any discounts, any sales or nothing on them. You have to pay for the full retail price which is there on the MRP tag. So if you like the item the most and if you feel that the item won't last till the sale time, make sure that you get those items at the start when it is in new arrivals, and it also depends on your need. For example, if you need this product, something important and you have to buy, just go for it. And make sure that what I always do, if I have to get something in new arrivals, I just go for the denims and jackets, because most of the times these don't end up in sales. By chance, if they end up in sale also, the sizes will be so limited, the option for the sizes will be so limited, and hardly they end up out of stock for the specific size what you wanted for yourself. The other alternative for this is, in order to save your money, I have got a plan for you and I have got a tip for you. Whatever the items which you like, make sure that, for example, if you like a specific brand, you follow the Instagram page of the brand where they do post all the new arrivals the moment it was released into the market. They do have the online links, they do have the offline availability in the retail stores also. Make sure that when you go for window shopping, get it the size right. You trail fit the clothes whatever you want it to be in the denims, trousers and shirts, and make sure that you know your size for the specific brand. And target the online sites, because in online sites, if it is an end of season sale where they keep on the previous season ones the 50 to 60% off, most of the times what they do is that they also keep 10 to 15% or at least 20% off on the normal products. So this is a very good option, because at the start when the products are released itself, you can get it for 20 to 30% off. On top of that, always the online shopping sites they do have this cashback offers, like if you are using this HDFC bank card, if you are using the specific bank, you will get 10% instant discounts or maybe cashback later on, which decreases the price even more and is a better bang for whatever you are paying. Because for example, if you are paying some 35% off when the item is new available, it's always a good deal guys, because you are wearing according to the trend and you're also on point with the value factor, like for how much you are paying it. As we are done with the new arrivals, now let's come into the mid-season sale. Whether you should buy during the mid-season sale or not. Personally, if you ask me, the main shopping tip I can give you guys is avoid the mid-season sale guys. Until and unless if you have the need to buy it at the time, avoid the mid-season sale. Mid-season sale is nothing about looting you people, because what generally happens is that if it is a 6-month cycle, when the products get released, they have the intermittent releases. First 1 or 2 months, the new arrivals keep on getting released one after the other, one after the other. It comes to a point at the end of 2 months or 2.5 months, there are not going to be any new release for the next 4 months until the stock whichever is already there goes on sale, because the company will be starting on the new designs for the next season. What these brands generally do, they keep the sale during the 4th month or the 5th month, or maybe 4.5 month they keep the mid-season sale. And the disadvantages with the mid-season sale is that they force you to buy 1+1 or buy 2 get 2 offer, and they keep you up to 50%, in which most of the pieces which are really good they end up with a 30% discount. And if you wait for a month and a half, you will get that for 50% off, or if it is an online shopping site, you can get even for 60% off. So why can't you wait for 1.5 months? Be patient, guys, in order to save a considerable amount of money, at least 25 to 30%, guys. It's not just like 5 or 10%, which in that case I would have recommended. So always, right now, even here in India in December, a mid-season sale is going. Even in Central Lifestyle, where they mention up to 50% off. Even in the brand retail outlets also, the mid-season sale is going on till 40%, 35% to 45%. So make sure that you don't get fooled by it and don't shop right now, because if you wait 15 or 20 days, you will get to shop all the items, whatever you wanted, at a flat 50% off and a discounted price. So for me and for you guys, the mid-season sale is a big no, until and unless you want that at any cost during that time. Now let's come into the sale time. So coming to the sale time, what are the first pieces you have to target? Make sure that before going into the sale, you are following the brand pages from quite some time and you know what are the best products, or do window shopping whenever you got time. And if you do not have any time, whenever during the free time, check the online shopping sites and see the new arrivals. Make sure that the filter sort it out as a new arrivals, and you can see what are the best new arrivals. Always during the online shopping as well, you start from the new arrivals so that you can get to know what are the best trends right now and what you should target. Rather than if you see the low to high factor, always the lowest cost will be the one which got released like 3 or 4 seasons back. So you will not be knowing the trend and seeing the price factor of it 70 or 75% off. You might be thinking that okay, this is a better option, this looks stylish as well. But you do end up buying a piece which is manufactured long back, and which quality and the quality of the piece has been already degraded to in half, and the moment you buy it and after 3 or 4 washes, that is not going to survive. And also you will miss out on the trend aspect, like how much ever it is stylish, it cannot match the recent trends. And the second one, during the sales, make sure that the first piece of target for you should be the jeans and jackets, because generally jeans, they will be discounted somewhere around 40% or 30% off during the sales, and sometimes only during the flat 50 sales they do end up at flat 50%. So make sure that you go first with the jeans, because after that you will not be finding sizes. The size options will be limited later on. So better start with the jeans, and later on during the sale period go with the t-shirts and shirts and whatever you want. So start with the jeans and jackets, for which sizes will run out very quickly. And the third tip during the sale, always shop the basics, guys. For example, if you are shopping the basics this season, the brands release, even though they have the new arrivals season after season, they do release the same basic colors, guys. For example, if you're buying a basic white t-shirt or blue t-shirt, or be it even mustard t-shirt, then they are going to release it, being it a solid color without any prints. They are going to release it again and again. Make sure that your wardrobe need to be versatile, and you do not invest in the same piece again in the next season, during the next shopping time, whatever you are doing. So you do avoid, and you can invest the time and money for the next time in some other piece what you like, rather than the same basic piece. So make sure that you go with the solid colors without too much of prints, and if you have all the basics, then go for the other things. And the last shopping tip during the sale time is use the coupons, guys. You have the Paytm, where you can get each and every shopping outlet coupons, be it a Central, be it a Lifestyle, or be it an individual retail shopping stores like Jack and Jones, or be it a Manuzane. They do have coupons for each and every shopping site as well as retail outlets, and you can get 10% cashback directly in Paytm. And make sure, guys, this video is not sponsored by Paytm. This is the trick what I do if I shop in new arrivals or during the sale also. That's what I wanted to share you guys. For example, be it Central, where they do have the GST on top of your price during the sale times. So the GST will be somewhere around 7.5 to 8% there. If you have this 10% Paytm coupons on top of that, you can save at least 7.5% and 2.5% extra. And other outlets like Shopper Stop, Lifestyle, and the other brand outlet, they do not have any tax on top of that, and you can save extra 10%, which accounts to 55 to 54%, depends on the sale when it's going for flat 50%. And these are the shopping tricks which I follow the most, and I want to share you guys that it will help you at some point of time. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. If you love this, do subscribe to the channel not to miss out on any of the future updates. That's it from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.